Hello everyone! I'm back! So I'm just here to give you the expense report as promised. But before that, I would like to thank each and every one of you for joining us in our 25th year reunion. Ang daming messages na nakuha ko after that event and I'm happy and my heart is full na lahat kayo ay masaya. Although yung iba sa inyo na corner dahil Jollibee, it's okay. You can make your own reunion and I'll be attending next time. Nakalatag na rin naman. So, I hope that this is a start and matulungan talaga yung susunod na gagawa. Now, first and foremost, thank you sa ating mga benefactors. Our dearest benefactors, you know who you are. Thank you so much for the trust. Itong mga benefactors na to talaga, wala akong narinig na Apple, dapat ganito yung ginawa mo. Apple, ganito ang dapat na ginawa mo. Wala. They were just there to help, to give us support, and lahat na resibo no nakalatag sa ating benefactors group chat. Thank you so much for all the suggestion. I really appreciate it. Super nakagaan sa ating pag-organize nitong reunion natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I couldn't thank you enough. No words, actually, no words. I couldn't really thank you enough. Again, as I was saying there during our reunion, that uh, the advocacy to thank our teachers and to be able to give back na nakuha ko sa mga taong nakapalibot to help me out to start this reunion, lalo na sa ating benefactors, and it's really a way for us to thank our teachers for all the years that they served us. It's a service, teaching as a service na binigay nila ang kanilang buhay sa ilang taon na pagtuturo nila sa atin, and who we are now, they're all part of it. Now, going back now to our expense, sa ating pong food ay 286 pesos. That's from Jollibee, the package. 280 pesos. Bakit 300 ang siningil mo? Nangurakot ka ba? Hindi po. Ang remaining na 14 pesos ay napunta po sa ating miscellaneous. Of course, we have to use their plays, the host, the events, and may maliliit silang loot bag, and there's the receipt for that. Ang ating miscellaneous sa Jollibee ay 4,676 pesos to be exact. Now, what are the other expenses that we paid? We also paid for yung transportation na ating VVIP, si Father Rene Lagaya, to and from Mayapain, Calamba. So, to and from Mayapain, Calamba, we used Grab. Thank you sa 20% senior discount from 2,400. It was down to 1,709. So 1,700 pesos na lang ang laking discount. Also, meron tayong mga bottle opener. So the pins in the bottle opener, it's 50 pesos originally. Syempre, nakipagtawaran tayo. It's down to 35 pesos. Nakuha natin siya ng 1,750. For the food, ang total natin na binayaran ay 17,500. Sa t-shirts natin, pals, thank you so much for the big discount. And the t-shirt I think is around 14,150. The Echo bag is around 350 for the 100 pieces. So round it off na 14,500. I think originally the price is around 17,000 something. So pals, sobrang thank you sa malaking discount na nabigay mo. I really appreciate it. The total pledges na nakuha natin ay 50,840 pesos and 17 cents. Yay! Psh, 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 boom. Siyempre, ako na rin na powers, ako na rin na palakpakan, no? Ang pinakamalaking expense natin ay ang gift basket. Gift basket cost us 2,500 for each teacher. So, the total amount is 32,500. Nag-prepare tayo ng 13. So, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, our dearest benefactors. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi natin mapapasaya na sobra-sobra ang ating mga guro. But then again, it's a Christmas time and they really felt the Christmas season and the love given by our batchmates. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang ating expenses na occurred. Total, I think it's around, magkano na ba? 66,000 ba? So, sorry, 64,250. We have a remaining cash on hand of 1,774 pesos and 17 cents. That will be decided by our benefactors kung saan po nila yan dadalhin. Because again, that's not my money. It's their money. So, again, benefactors, marami pong salamat. We will go ahead and have a separate meeting for that. Sa lahat po ng mga nagyaya sa akin ng after party. I would like to take this opportunity no na pasensya na pagod na talaga. I went to my safe space. Sa lahat ng humabol, super na-appreciate namin kayo. Darlo from Quezon City drove all the way to the south just to see each and every one, the teachers and the rest of the classmates. Super thank you. I really appreciate all the effort. Doc Alab, Doc Adrian Alab Castillos, thank you so much. Ganun din, sobrang traffic ng araw na yon. Pero hindi kayo umuwi. Talagang nag-drop by pa rin kayo. Feeling ko, Doc Alab, may bit-bit ka pa mga animals sa bag mo. Sobrang dami mo dala. Super thank you. We really appreciate all the efforts that you guys made. Who else? Alex de Guzman, Doc Voltaire. I really appreciate that, you went there. You're very quiet up until now. Attorney Voltaire, you're very quiet up until now and I really appreciate you joining us. Sa lahat po ng pumunta kay Cueva San Lagang, Wena, thank you so much. Nagpunta kayo at sana talaga namang napakakulit ninyo. Saya-saya, sobrang saya, sobrang saya ninyo nung gabing yung tingnan. Thank you so much for guys na tumulong kayo sa pag-invite ng mga classmates at mga kaibigan ninyo. Same with my STOV family sa mga St. Thomas of Villanova. Salamat din sa inyo. Sa ibang mga section, St. Augustine, St. Ezekiel, Our Lady of Consolation. May nakalimutan pa ba ako? But yeah, maraming salamat po. Gia, thank you so much for helping me out as one of the organizers. Madaling kausap na, okay Apple, punta ka lang to, ganito, sa paghahanap ng ibang teachers. Si Gia po ang naghanap ng elementary teachers. So, thank you, Gia. Jen, ang ating palang bonggang-bonggang raffle na parang walang humpay, okay, ay walang iba kundi si Jen Calma and Mary Ann Paulino. Guys, thank you so much for the help and support kahit na wala kayo, kahit na wala ka, pero you are with us in spirit and makikita pa tayo. Bibigay ko pa yung mga t-shirts nyo. Who else? Patricio Baluyot, oh my goodness. Talaga nga naman, itong mga taong to, hindi ko talaga close ever since. Parang hindi nga kami nag-uusap-usap dito no high school. Si Patricio, sobrang thank you for your help, for being the graphic designer, and for helping us connect, helping me connect with Father Rene. So siya naman ang naghanap kay Father Rene, and ako na yung nakipag-usap and all that. So, thank you so much sa pagtulong, sa paghanap ng ating mga guro. I really appreciate it. Si Mendoza, my goodness, kahit na nasa abroad ka, super connect ka pa rin at super tulong ka pa din. Lalo na sa ating mga teachers and all that. Super thank you, guys. Sa ating mga benefactors na iba, hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin pa because you wanted to remain anonymous and I will respect that. Thank you so much for helping us out. At sa lahat po ng mga sa mga susunod pa, hopefully may sumunod sa susunod na mag-officiate at mag-organize na reunion, nakalatag na po sa inyo. Sabi nga nila, the first step is always the hardest. Birth pains. Hopefully, this will pave way for the next of organizers. I am very much willing to help out, but I have to admit, I would love to take the back seat next time and just enjoy the party. Again, maraming salamat po. Para doon pala po sa mga t-shirts ninyo na mga hindi nakuha, sa mga hindi nakapunta, nasa akin pa po. I'll sort it out. Hopefully next week, I will be able to mail yung mga shirts ninyo. Again, thank you so much and have a great day everyone.